1 million naira and a land in Abuja just to say thank you for you. To what's here too? One attack and tell me what's here to my do again.
If you have not registered, please go and try and endeavor to register. It is your only way you can contribute in building a better country for your children and for the future of our country.
Billionaire Isaac Fayose just gifted Mama P and Randy Peters 2 million naira and also a plot of land in Abuja to encourage them for what they have been doing in Nigeria. P2B was seen encouraging Nigerians to get their voters card and prepare for the 2027 presidential election. Okay guys, on the news today, billionaire Isaac Fayose just gifted Mama P and Randy Peters 2 million naira and also a plot of land in Abuja to appreciate them for what they have been doing. Randy Peters and Mama P has one of those people that have been like almost everywhere trying to advocate and also push and also enlighten Nigerians to fight for a better country and also to vote for Nigeria's regulation. This is very massive. They have been doing a fantastic job. Forget the issues they have been having with Verydarkman, but Mama P and Randy Peters has been really trying their best. We are not going to fight over everything. Sometimes we just have to take a stand. And Isaac Fayose just gifted them a plot of land each in Abuja and also 2 million naira to appreciate them for what they have been doing. Mama P has also reacted to this. Listen to what she had to say.
So grateful. Please help me thank Uncle Isaac Fayose. I'm so grateful. 1 million naira and a land in Abuja just to say thank you for you. To what's here too? One attack and tell me what's here to my do again. Wait, because I don't understand. I'm so excited. I don't even know how to react. There's no time to do videos because I'm always outside. I want to shout. I'm shy. Thank you, Uncle Isaac. Thanks to everybody that, good morning, be supporting me. Good morning, low-key, both online and offline. I'm grateful to you guys. I'm super grateful. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to go and get your PVC. Registration ends on the 26th. Today is Lillian's birthday. Happy birthday, Madam Lillian. That one I've been for another hour. I don't even know how to say. Somebody say good morning, landlady. I think I wake up this morning with vex because I don't sleep till 2 o'clock. Person don't sleep till 2 o'clock. You go wake up by 5 o'clock. I said, which kind of life is this? For 1 week, my head won't blow. I swear. I'm so happy. That is so soothing. People can actually be unkind to you. So when they choose to be kind, you just be so grateful. Honestly.
I hope all of you watching this video has gotten your voters card, because we cannot be here online clamoring for a better country, for a better Nigeria, and all of you have not gotten your voters card. I hope everybody has gotten your voters card, because how can we prepare and say we want a change if we are not going to get our voters card? Everybody, each vote count. Don't let them deceive you. All of you, please go and get your voters card. P2B was seen in public encouraging Nigerians to go and get their voters card ahead of the next general election, so they can vote and elect the leader in which they wish and get a better country in which we all deserve. Listen to what P2B had to say.
Please go and try and endeavor to register. It is your only way you can contribute in building a better country for your children and for the future of our country. All we want is to have election where those who are competent, who will care for the society, are elected, so that we will have better roads, we have schools for your children, have hospitals, so that a pregnant woman like this can go to hospital and be cared for. The children can be cared for. There will be security. I saw the kickoff I bought for you when I was governor.
Yes, you're right. You're right.
I can see it here now. And the bus that, and the bus that bought for those people, so you can see.
My road, they're all lying.
There's no new pickup. You need a new one.
Yes.
All these things are very important. That's why we're saying go and try and register and be part of it. Nothing else. We want to build a country where everybody can be looked after. You can see my friend, he needs to be careful. And that is what the society does to everybody. Thank you.
Thank you.